Welcome back everyone. Today we're finishing the diamond package on this Toyota Hilux. Our diamond package includes a full detail and paint correction before coating with Modesta BC-05. BC-05 is a coating that produces Modesta's signature candy-like gloss along with super water-repellent properties when properly cured. For a 4x4 like this, it's a good idea to keep your paint protection with Modesta BC-05. It will have an additional barrier of protection and dirt and grime will be easier to clean too. Our diamond package also includes coatings for the wheels, brake calipers, and glass and windows. It also comes with a Stage 1 Autozkin PPF protection and a 5-year warranty on free maintenance at the shop. Don't hesitate to contact us to protect your car today. Subscribe to our channel for more.